welcome back to today's video. So in this episode, I'm going to make over this bedroom. So the story behind this is that actually we used to be in the other bedroom and this used to be our daughter's bedroom. But she didn't like it because she could hear the neighbours from upstairs when they used the toilet and that scared her. We obviously are not bothered by it at all. We don't hear it at all, and actually we sleep better here because we're in the back of the building, so we don't hear the traffic as much, which is what used to wake us up every morning early whenever the buses started driving up the street. So we're really happy about this exchange. But yeah, so obviously we just moved our bed here, but actually everything else is still the way it was whenever my daughter was here. So she still has her shelf here with all of her toys. We have a picture of Eeyore, this pink lamp. So yeah, so all those things are gonna go, and obviously all of her drawings here are also gonna go, and we're gonna try and make it into more of an adult bedroom, which means also getting rid of some of the pink, but not all of it, because actually I wanna run with it. This is our bed. It's just this raw wood bed, straight on the floor. It's very comfortable. It's very big. And it's quite low to the ground. And we actually really like this. Whenever we got it, we were into this whole minimalism look, which is still really good, and we're still going to keep a lot of the aspects. But I wanted a pop of color, which is why I got this. This is the box where a future bed is, and yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see it, so I'm going to start building it right now. So another aspect of our bed is that we have this quite neutral bedding that I mean, it's nice, it's comfortable, it's very neutral. What I don't like is actually the two duvets. We did that because we thought we would fight a little bit less over the blankets in the winter, but actually we've stayed in places with just one duvet since, and it's not a problem anymore. We started this a long time ago when we were probably not used to sharing beds, and we just stuck with it. But I hate the way it looks. I don't like it. It doesn't make a nice bed ever. So yeah. And also we've used this quite a long time, so there's some purple watercolor here. We have some blue marker that I've hid under here, right there. So yeah, our kids have been here. They're a bit bigger now. They used to be a lot more careless before. So it's time to change and get new duvet covers. We always just have one duvet cover, so I'm first going to move the bedding and the mattress. So we inherited this beautiful Persian rug from Hendrik's grandfather after he passed, and it's really beautiful. It is pure silk, and it has all these different colors in it. So we had it in our living room, but actually it didn't work. It was too dark. But I think for the bedroom, especially all these pink tones inside, it's mostly navy blue and this burgundy red color, but there's little touches of pink in it, and I think it'll look really good in here. So let's give it a go. we're going for. The duvet cover rather. So it's a cream color, even almost a beigey cream color with the striped pattern. 2 pillow covers. So the rug is way too big at the bottom, so I'm gonna fold it at the top of the bed. I finally decided against the rug. It's actually stashed in underneath and parts of the old bed too, like there. Because these will be removed tomorrow. But yeah, so I decided to not go with the rug. Because first of all, it was way too big. Second of all, I was struggling with it. And it had a bit of a weird smell, so. Marker. Ugh, all the marker stains everywhere. This is the finished bed. Yeah. So I'm just going to try out one other thing instead of those cream colored, or rather beige pillows that we already had. I'm going to try and go for these here that I picked up. And I think the color will be really, really nice with it. So there we go. And here we've got the finished bed. Ooh, I'm so glad. So, yeah, the bottom is a little bit uneven, but I'm just going to tuck that in later. And yeah, I really like these beautiful legs. Yeah, that needs to go. But we still live here. So this is how renovations go in our home. We don't have anywhere to put it for storage, for nice shots. So yeah, it's always a work in progress. But this, I'm so excited to sleep in this bed tonight. And yeah. Okay, so that's everything for today. I'm really glad you watched this video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, this is part 1 of the bedroom transformation. But yeah, it's already a huge difference. And also we needed to get rid of the old bed because we're going to use it somewhere else. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give us a like if you liked it. And subscribe if you want to see the next videos. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.